Did you know that just a few minutes of a specific type of exercise can boost your metabolism as much as a 45-minute bike ride? Yes, we're talking about high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, tailored just for beginners. Stay tuned as we break down the science and steps of high-intensity interval training workouts for beginners. But first, don't forget to check the description and pinned comment below for our free ebook on how to burn fat and lose weight while resting. It will show you how to lose weight faster and more efficiently, taking your weight loss to a whole new level. Now let's get into it. Get rid of it! What is HIIT? HIIT consists of short bursts of intense exercise alternated with low-intensity recovery periods. Interestingly, the research by Dr. Martin Gibala, a pioneer in exercise science, found that just 3 minutes of intense training per session can significantly improve your cardiorespiratory fitness. Why HIIT? HIIT isn't just a time saver, it's a life changer. A study at the University of New South Wales found that participants lost up to 3 times more body fat compared to those doing traditional long-duration exercises, and all without changing their diet. So here's how to do HIIT right. Step 1. Warm up. First things first, let's warm up. Begin with 5 minutes of light jogging or brisk walking. This prepares your body for the intense activity and helps prevent injuries. Step 2. The workout structure. Here's how you can effectively execute your sessions and start seeing real changes. Initiating the HIIT cycle. The core of your HIIT workout is the cycle between sprinting and recovery. Begin with sprinting for 30 seconds at your absolute maximum effort. This isn't just a fast jog. I want you to imagine you're sprinting to catch the last bus home. That's how intense it should be. Understanding maximum effort. Pushing to your maximum effort increases your heart rate rapidly. This spike is crucial because it's what helps you burn a significant amount of calories in a short period. It's the essence of HIIT. Short bursts of intense exercise followed by recovery. Recovery phase. After your sprint, immediately shift to a recovery mode. This means walking or jogging at a slow pace for 1 minute. This recovery is just as important as the sprint. It allows your body to catch its breath, reducing your heart rate and preparing you for the next burst. This interval helps maintain the sustainability of the workout, ensuring you can complete the full session. Repetition and consistency. Repeat this cycle of 30 seconds of sprinting followed by 1 minute of walking or slow jogging. Continue this for 15 minutes. As you progress, your body will begin to adapt, and you'll find you recover more quickly, allowing you to push even harder during your high-intensity bursts. It's essential to maintain consistency in your efforts. Every sprint should be as vigorous as the first. This consistency is what will lead to improvements in your cardiovascular health and metabolic rate. Remember, the goal of this structure is to push your limits during the high-intensity bursts, but also to ensure you manage your energy so that you can sustain the workout for the entire 15 minutes. It's a balance of pushing hard and recovering smartly. Step 3. Cool down. After your last interval, don't come to a complete stop. Spend about 5 minutes doing a cool down, which could be a gentle walk followed by stretching. This helps in recovery and reduces the risk of muscle soreness. Safety tips. Always listen to your body. If you feel dizzy or excessively out of breath, decrease the intensity. It's better to start slow and gradually increase the intensity as your fitness improves. Consistency matters. Aim to incorporate HIIT workouts into your routine 2 to 3 times a week, but not on consecutive days. Giving your body time to recover is crucial for effective results. Remember, the beauty of HIIT is in its versatility and efficiency. It can be tailored to match your fitness level and goals. And while the steps might seem challenging, the results are incredibly rewarding. You've got this. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. And remember to claim your free ebook on how to burn fat and lose weight while resting in the description and pinned comment below. It will help you on your weight loss journey.